Hello everybody and welcome back to another lockpicking video. And in today's video we're gonna have a look on this beautiful backpack lock from BKS. It has a nasty keyway, but actually it's not so hard because the upper part is quite open actually. It has an interesting key. This is a Detect3 version from BKS. This is a 5-pin version. And it has these grooves here. These can interact with a cock, and this can work on the camming mechanism, but I don't think that is in here. But we will find out when we get it open, hopefully. Let's listen for the shackle pop first of all. Very nice. So you can get it through here, and let's get it in a vise and pick it. See you back in a second. Okay, back in the vise. Key works fine. So let's get the tensioner in using the 1mm version here, which usually slots in barely, but does good job. And then medium hook, the PN07 in 0.6mm. Clockwise tensioner, of course, because it's a padlock. And we start from the back. Good click on 5. Just touched 4. Full set got a little bit deeper. Nothing in the rest, so we need to go back to 5. No. Let's increase tension. So we can play a bit between 3 and 4. And now the fault set is deeper. So I guess I must work on the spools in 1 and 2. Working on 2 now. Let's see if I can get on it. Okay, I think I got it. Dropped some other pins, but let's try to set pin 1 first. Okay, I have pin 1 and pin 2. But no fault set. So let's go back to 5, 4, 3, nothing. 2 again. And these act like tapered now. You really just have to tap them. So heavy tension helps in that case. So on 4 and 3 and 4. And we are open. Okay. So usually in the end you just have to whack-a-mole or however you would call it, and go between the pins. Because tolerances are just okay, I think. And heavy tension helps in that case, as mentioned. So let's gut this and see you back in a second. Okay, welcome back from fast forward. Here's the housing with the attenuator, spring loaded, so it probably could be shimmed. And then the core, this is what the keyway looks like. It can be pinned up to 6 pins, but this is like the basic version, so only 5 pins and no additional locking element. And the Detect3 can come with an additional locking element, and also with this cock in the end for key recognition, I think mostly. So here's the pinning. I would say classic BKS pinning. So spools in 1 and 2, then standard in 5, and 3 and 4 have these nice T-pins. All the key pins are standard in the upper part, but unfortunately we see some mastering in chambers 1 and 3. The 1 and 3 I could remove to make the key still work, but this one needs to stay in. And yeah, of course, mastering makes picking a bit easier, but I don't think it would make too much of a difference in this lock at least. Yeah, for completeness, this is the housing. Could also be populated with a 6th pin if you upgrade a version, basically. They sell both, and this is just the one with 5 pins. So yeah, not too difficult to pick, but quite good tolerances. There's no flattening on the core or anything. Everything is well manufactured. It's a beautiful lock, and yeah, I guess that's all I have on this nice Detect3 from BKS. So whoever is still here, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, I always appreciate it. And if you're new here, please subscribe. Really, yeah, makes my day. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!